Do you volunteer?
I don't volunteer, no, because there's not any opportunities to volunteer in my area.
No, I don't volunteer.
Stuff that I'm not interested in, I would never actually go and volunteer for that.
Not at the moment, but I did.
Yeah, I volunteer. I'm a member of the Red Cross. I'm also doing Keith and Kids project. I'm also a member of Enfield Good Neighbours.
I volunteered as a dance teacher at the Lee Valley School, and the kids liked it.
But I can see the benefits because it's helping the community and it makes you feel good about yourself.
Are you aware of opportunities to volunteer in your area?
It's quite easy especially around my area, to get all these charity shops and all these other organisations. I think it's really easy to get in because they're always looking for people.
I found out about Millennium Volunteers, which is the company that I did it with, through college, Enfield College.
Should young people get rewards for helping their communities?
Yeah, they should, because it makes them more prone to getting more involved.
No, I don't think people should be rewarded for volunteering because you should do it out of the goodness of your heart.
People as well who do over maybe, for example, 100 hours in their own community should get maybe a certificate, award.
Even though a little speech was saying thank you very much for your help, that is, for young people, I think that means a lot, because when they walk out of the building they think, yeah, I'm good.
Sometimes it feels as if nobody's listening, but it's only by making your voice heard that you can have your say on issues that matter to you. By going online and filling in a questionnaire about you, your life and what you want from it, you can make a difference to the way you and young people just like you live. I'm DJ EZ, and this is a Need to Know production.